Hello everyone, my name is Josephine from Interra company, and today I would like to show you how our upgraded system InSmartRain works. First, the screen is a simulator to show how the central pivot system works. And right here we have the upgraded panel. From the panel we can control all functions of the machine. We can turn on the machine, enable water supply, enable irrigation, and change the irrigation rate. And after doing that, we can see on the screen that the machine has been turned on. The water supply is on, and also the fertilizer is on as well. The irrigation machine can also be controlled from a distance with our application. And on the application here, we can see that the machine is on, and we have the parameters that the system works with. Right here it shows that the fertilizer supply is on. The water supply is on. And also we can change the direction of the machine. On the screen here it shows that the machine is moving forward. The green also shows that the machine is working at the moment. We can stop the machine with the red button. We just need to send a command to the control panel to turn off the machine. And as you can see in the control panel, the machine has been turned off. And also in the stimulator. And right on the app, we can see the gray color, which shows that the machine is not working at the moment. And if we want to start the machine fast, we can choose the quick start option. The quick start option can be used with the last parameters. We can also stop the machine with the blue button. We just need to send the command to the control panel again to stop the machine. And that's it. The machine has been stopped. Thank you very much for your time. We look forward to partnership. Bye.